In today's episode, we'll show you how to make an overlaid marble effect using our new self-leveling protein gels.
Hi, my name is Connie, and this is a channel dedicated to the art of nail styling. Today, we'll show you a quick and easy styling in an hour and a half.
Products and tools we'll use in today's episode are self-leveling protein gel in white, clear and natural, classic mermaid effect, bling bling master, a 180 grit sanding sleeve, Indigo Cuticle Bit number 9, number 1 and number 8, a 100 to 180 grit file, a 100 to 180 grit buffer, purple forms, cleaner number 1, wipe-off cleaner, acid-free primer, lint-free pads, perfect base, tip-top top coat, aquarelle sting brush, Indigo Master Nail Art Brush 007, 2-in-1 gel brush number 6, and the cupcake brush.
Marble is a timeless design. There are certain trends and fashions in our industry that when they show up, they shine super bright, but they tend to disappear very quickly. The so-called disposable trends. While marble is something that's been popular for several seasons now because it's showy and easy to create. And we really like those easy to make designs because we can surprise our clients with them even at the start of our nail styling career.
We need to remove the remains of the previous styling. We do it with the 180 grit sanding sleeve with the e-file set to a maximum of 10,000 RPM. We glide the bit smoothly across the nail. We work without too much pressure, matting the surface at the same time. We move on to the cuticles. We start with Indigo Cuticle Bit number 9. We push the cuticles up and remove any residue from the nail surface. We use the e-file to mat the area by the nail fold. Our e-file should be set to 10 and 15,000 RPM. We make sideway motions and move along the nail plate. We switch to Indigo Cuticle Bit number 1 and work in a similar motion, holding the bit at a 45-degree angle with the speed set to no more than 15,000 RPM. We focus the pressure more on the cuticles than the nail and remember to only use the tip of the tool. Now we set the e-file speed in the 10 to 15,000 RPM range and tidy up the nail fold using the Indigo Cuticle Bit number 4. We continue working right to left, but left-handed stylist would do the opposite, working left to right. We switch our bit to the round Indigo Cuticle Bit number 8 and use it to clean up the nail fold. At this stage, we can up the speed of the e-file and work in the 15 to 20,000 RPM range.
Communication is key in every profession, and we are not an exception. If a stylist needs more flexibility to, for example, remove the cuticles thoroughly, it's worth communicating this to the client. You can ask them to bring the hand closer, move it slightly, shift it, rotate it. There is nothing wrong with it. Absolutely nothing unprofessional. The most important thing is to be nice and amiable. In return, the client will end up with beautifully trimmed cuticles and smooth nail folds, and their nails will be ready for the next stage of styling.
To reach the nail wall more easily, we turn the hand to the side and pull the skin slightly. First, we move the bit almost across the nail plate, pushing it outside the nail fold. Then we turn the hand back and gently remove any excess cuticles from the nail fold. If they don't want to come off at this speed, we need to turn off the e-file, change the direction of the rotation and work the other way around. We shorten the nail as much as possible using the 100 to 180 file. We use the 180 side and create a semicircular shape. We remove any dust with a soft brush. We reach for a purple form, but don't peel it off the backing paper. We cut it at the top separation and gently remove the egg. We place the form against the nail and assess the width of the nail plate. Now we can see how to cut it. We start cutting from the first red line, creating a small semicircle to line number 2. We place the form again to make sure it fits perfectly. Pretending to pinch the form under the finger, we check where the natural nail grows out. Then, make an incision in this exact spot on both sides. If the form is cut well, we peel it off the backing paper. We push it gently under the nail and stick it to the finger. We tilt the hand slightly and evenly stick down the first and second square. As we'll be sculpting an almond, we pinch the form at number 5, so 2 points further than the desired length, as we'll work the gel all the way up to number 3. We align the pinch point with the back nail fold. Now we can safely stick down the form and check if its center aligns with the middle of the finger. We reach for cleaner number 1, With a brush, wipe off any excess on the sides of the bottle and apply a very thin layer of the product. We wait till the cleaner evaporates and apply a layer of the acid-free primer. We use the Indigo 2-in-1 Gel Brush number 6 to rub a small amount of perfect base into the natural nail plate. Then, cure in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds.
We start building the frame. Clear, viscosity 120. Yep, a new gel, which we are very, very proud of, the whole self-leveling collection. But Clear is one of those products that many stylists have been waiting for. So we're very proud and happy that it's finally here. Viscosity of 120 means that the product levels rather slowly, so beginner stylists don't have to worry about flooding the cuticles or that they won't manage to finish the whole design. It's perfect for beginners. Try it, test it, love it.
We rub a small amount of gel into the natural nail plate. We pick up a bigger ball and place it on the form, pushing it up towards the free edge to create a perfect structure. We cure in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. We pinch the form hard under the structure, which will help it detach from the gel and peel away easily and safely from the whole construction. We place some self-leveling gel in natural 70 and white 90 onto the nail art palette. Through the middle and above, we add some self-leveling gel clear 120. To do it, we use the Indigo 2-in-1 Gel Brush number 6. We sprinkle everything with the classic mermaid effect and bling bling master.
In a minute, we'll be blending the self-leveling gels with some powder effects to create a unique version of the gel. Thanks to this, our marble will get an injection of effortless glow.
We switch to the Aquarel Sting Brush, and using gentle strokes, we swirl in the gel left and right. We reach again for the Indigo 2-in-1 Gel Brush number 6. We make a sweeping, slightly jagged motion and drive the brush from the right to the left side of the palette, picking up enough product to build a perfect nail. We place the gel on the nail and gently spread the product left and right. We push the product gently towards the nail folds. Remember to only work on the surface of the gel. If we run out of product, we pick up more from the palette. Then, using the Aquarel Sting Brush, we pull the gel along the nail fold. We turn the finger over and wait for the gel to level out. We flip the finger back and even out the surface as much as possible. Then, cure in the lamp for 15 seconds. We delicately pinch the side walls with a nail tweezer from where the nail starts to grow up until the free edge. Cure for another 15 to 30 seconds. We clean the nail with a pad soaked in the wipe-off cleaner.
Why do stylists love self-leveling gels? Because they decrease work time. Firstly, it's a lot easier to create an even surface with them. So, for example, the upper arch is easier and quicker to create. And secondly, there'll be a lot less filing once the product is cured. Just a few strokes of the sanding sleeve if you're an advanced stylist, and voila, the upper arch is beautiful.
We choose the 180 grit sanding sleeve, set the e-file speed to a maximum of 10,000 RPM and work on the surface of the nail. We use the sander around the nail wall too to finish off the product by the cuticles. We reach for the 100 to 180 grit file and work with the 180 side. The first 3 moves are perpendicular. Then we use a pushing motion to file the hairline, working from right to left. To finish off, we file the edges slightly to even them out. If there is such a need, we go back to the previous filing motions. We even out the surface with a buffer. First, the 100 grit side, then the 180. We add some gloss with the tip-top top coat. We can use the Indigo Master Nail Art 007 brush to help us reach more challenging spaces. We cure in the lamp for 30 seconds, and it's done. This is what a marble effect looks like created with a blend of 3 self-leveling gels. The addition of shiny particles brings some effortless elegance to the design.
And that brings us to the end of our episode. Let us know in the comments below what other timeless designs are done in your salon. Remember, we're here every Wednesday. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.